Opisyal na ning binuklat ning provincial government ng Pampanga, ing Pampanga Provincial Care and Counseling Center. Meto nga ba yung pasilidad amamye mental health at psychosocial support kareng kay nakang Kapampangan at pamilyang mangailangan. Penimunan din na Governor Lilia Nanay Pineda at Vice Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, kaya bereng provincial board members at tubod na rin niyayaliwang national agencies at partner institutions ing blessing at opening ning center. Kapag nasaning pasilidad na maginyang meto nga safe space, nung nuka rin malyari lang manikwang psychiatric consultation, psychotherapy, counseling, legal assistance, social services, livelihood support, at family intervention. Agpangking Kapitolyo, malyaring mag-avail ning serbisyo kareng mangailangan kapamilatan ning karelang school counselors, mental health offices, state at private universities, colleges, o barangay social workers.